Welcome back to my channel, Excel Fundamentals. So, hope you have seen my previous versions, that is session 1 and session 2. Today, we will see the third session, that is the Insert tab within Excel file. Yeah, hope my screen is visible. So, any questions or suggestions on the videos that I am creating, please feel free to send it to my email ID, which is mentioned here. It's spreadsheet@madhu@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Excel Fundamentals. Thank you so much. So let's start with the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, we have got multiple options. First thing is the generic one, which is nothing but your pivot table. How to create a pivot table? Yeah, pivot table is nothing but a summary of your data. So, for example, you have a data set of say 30 odd columns, and you want only 4 to 5 columns out of that in a summary format. You can use the pivot table. This will remove all your duplicates within the data and bring you the summarized data into your bubble. Yeah. So you can either use uh, the existing data from your Excel file, or you can bring in some data from another Excel workbook and simply build the pivot here. So, and the third one is the data model, which is normally a kind of uh, external link. Currently I don't have that, but you can explore that using this option. Then recommended pivot tables are something, if you don't know which pivot table to use, you can check this, wherein M365 will help you to or guide you to use the specific pivot tables. And the third one in the tables section is the table. If you want to create a table, you can just select and create a table here. Yeah, this is my table. Yeah. So that is how you can create the tables using the table option. So next thing is illustrations. Illustrations is nothing but if you want to use any of the pictorial formats, or if you want to say use graphics or saves for your presentation in the Excel file, then you can use all these things. And there are a lot of things, right? One is the picture, one is saves, one is icons, one is 3D models, smart art, then we have got screenshots, right? Anything, you can just click on this and bring in some screenshot of any of the applications and put it here. So those stuff. And next section is the charts. Charts is very much used in Excel, so ensure you use the correct chart for your presentation. So how it works? So there are variety of charts available in the Excel file. So for that, what you need to do is select the data and select your chart type. It will give you the chart over there. Can you see that in the screen? So I got the chart within a fraction of seconds. So same way you can use the chart options. There are 3D column formats, there are 2D bars, 3D bars, yeah. And then we have got tree map, sunburst chart. I'll take you through each one of them in the upcoming sessions, but since this is an overview session, I'm going through the uh, uh, basic details about each of the functions available within the Excel tabs. Yeah, so this section is totally for charts creation. You can create charts basis your data and requirement. Then this is nothing but your maps, which you can use 3D maps. Yeah, these we will slowly explore. Map, this is map. Then these are nothing but spark lines. So I want to create a line and like this. You should have some data range, then it will show you. Currently I don't have data to show, but yes, you can create column. And these are kind of like results oriented, so you can use like uh, pass or fail, win or loss, all those type of results. You can use these things. And slicer is something, so slicers. I can show you some taking some data. So if you see here, I want to use a slicer for this. So let's, yeah. So now I want to use the slicer for this. Click on slicer. Slicer is nothing but a kind of filter for your data. So I'll show you how it works when we go in detail about each of the functions. Then timelines, it's a kind of uh, filter on the date range. Yeah. Then linking, this is a kind of hyperlink. It works like a link. Yeah. Then if you want to give comment against any of the uh, columns or cell or data, then you can use this. And this is nothing but you have already used in your school days also. This is word art, so you can use word arts. So like this, that will appear. If you want to do something with the highlight something, then this can be used. So next thing is symbols. You can very well use the symbols that are available to um, towards your formula derivation or anything of that sort. Symbols are kind of, if you want to insert some symbol, say plus minus, plus or minus, not equal to, greater than equal to, all these symbols can be found here. There are a huge variety of symbols which you can use. Yeah. So like the insert tab is all done, and in detail uh, information about each of these functions will follow in my upcoming videos. So keep watching and let me know for any questions on any of these functions through email or providing a comment against my video. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be glad to help you in any of the issues around Excel. Thank you so much.